I'm working on a 2010 Volvo V70. Just thought I would make a quick video showing this. It's kind of a strange setup on these, the way the alternator runs off of a coupler. So the belt drive is off the back, and then there's a little idler with a shaft that runs through this housing that goes to a standard kind of a clutch that's in the, it's a one-way clutch that's in the pulley for the alternator. So here's the one I replaced, and it has this little belt, I guess you can call it, a little belt that goes over the one half of the coupler that goes to the other half. This is the other half that's bolted to the on the engine side. Well, this bolt came loose and this pulley was spinning, so it wasn't driving the alternator. The reason that happened is the coupler, the one-way clutch in this pulley, is seized. This is supposed to kind of spin one way, not the other, and it smooths out engine pulses that are being fed to it from the engine. And without that, with it locked like this, it's a pretty violent driving force from the engine, so it actually jarred this bolt loose on this, and then this was spinning and not charging any longer. Probably could have got away with replacing this, pulling this cap off and replacing this clutch itself. But you can see there was just rust dumping out of the alternator, and it was in pretty poor shape, and the bearings kind of noisy, so we just replaced the whole thing. The other end of the drive and the belt. But you have to pull the intake up out of the way to do it. It's a little bit of a job, and it's just a strange setup. So just wanted to make a quick video showing what's happening here. Thanks.